Hello, assalamu alaikum. In the last video, actually, we noticed or we practiced how to create a pivot table, right? So today I will try to show you how to modify the pivot table, right? Okay, so just create a pivot table following the previous video. Just first step, click your cursor within the data set. Just okay, data set. Just go to the insert and pivot table. Okay, so new existing sheet. Today, I would like to investigate region-wise total cell, right? Okay, it is the region-wise total. It's very simple, right? Okay. On the other hand, if you'd like, okay, the region-wise total cell, it's fine. But here you can see sum of total cell, right? But if your manager would like to know what is the count of total cell, right? Just click here in this arrow, go to the value field setting. Okay, here you will see count, average, right? So click count. Okay, this is the count of total cell, right? Count of total cell by region. On the other hand, manager would like to know the average cell, area wise average cell. So go to here and value field setting and please click here. So this value is average total cell, I mean by region, right? I mean region wise to average total cell, right? In some cases, maybe actually you will find lots of options here, right? So maximum value, minimum value, and standard deviation, variance, you will find lots of options here. But in many cases, managers would like to know, I would like to know what is the percentage percentage of cell by region. I mean, in which region the sales percentage is too high, sales percentage too low, like this, right? So here you will not find the percentage option, right? There is no percentage option here. In that case, you need to go to show value as. Okay, and here just click here percentage of column total, right? Percentage of column total. Okay, this is the percentage of column total. So at the end of the day, at the end of the analysis, you have to notice, is this the value is 100%? If it is value is 100%, your result is accurate, right? On the other hand, if you think that, or if you show this value is not 100%, definitely you have some missing value. So go back to your how can I say, go back to your data set and try to investigate there is no missing value, right? So in here actually we learn uh, the data should have no blank row or column, right? So there is no missing value in the data set, right? It should be confirmed. Okay, that is why. So when you see this 100%, it's accurate. On the other hand, if you see, you would not like to see your data table in this way. So column wise, row wise, it's fine. It's the row wise, right? There is a problem. All the values are in 100% because of we selected the column percentage, total column percentage. So in that case, we have to go here, value setting, show by, and here you need to percentage of row total, right? Okay, percentage of row total. Please see here. This is the percentage of row total, and row total percentage times the grand total is 100%. So in that case, you need to understand there is no missing value. So if it's less than 100%, definitely in our data set there is a problem of missing value, right? So in this time, we are just learning. Okay, I'm just making it a value field setting and summation. Okay, total summation. I'm sorry, total summation, value field setting, and show percentage, show as column percentage. Okay, okay, this is the value. So in this video, actually, we learned how to modify your pivot table, right? Okay, so after the next video, okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.